Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of solar panel cleaning machine. So the concept of this project is to maintain the solar panel without any dust or any other particles in the surface of the panel, and also this system will be operated through IoT, and a periodic cleaning will be programmed in the microcontroller, so it will automatically clean the solar panel every morning and evening, so that we can able to maintain the solar panel clean and neat with efficiency. So here the block diagram will explain us the list of components which is used in this project. Basically a microcontroller was used here. So the microcontroller was connected with the IR sensors. So the IR sensors will be the starting and ending point of the solar panel. So the mechanism will move from IR sensor 1 to IR sensor 2, and to drive the motor use a motor driver, 12 volt DC motor driver and a motors, and the entire thing was power supplied by the battery, and a cleaning brush was connected with the DC gear motor. So here the list of components, hardware and software components required for this was given. Let us see the live demonstration of this project. So this is how the hardware setup has been made. So this is a model which we done by ourselves. So this is a solar panel setup which was fixed in a metal stand. So the entire circuit was powered by a 12 volt battery. Here in two ends we fixed a IR sensor. So if a solar panel cleaning mechanism will move front and back, so if it reaches the least position, it will automatically detect by the IR sensor, then it will automatically move forward. You can see how it's moving. So the entire process will be done based on the timing. So we can fix the time. So for example, we have a sunlight by 7 a.m. So by every morning 6 o'clock it will automatically start cleaning the solar panel, and the timing will be programmed in the microcontroller. For the particular timing it will automatically clean the solar panel. Actually this cleaning system was done using the soft cloth material, and also here we used a 60 rpm DC gear motor with gear teeth for the rotation motion. Okay guys, I hope you understand the demonstration. So along with this project we'll give the documentation, rough documentation, which contains 31 pages of content, which includes the title, abstract, existing system, disadvantages of existing system, proposed system, advantages of proposed system, the block diagram, system specifications, hardware configuration and software configurations, module description, literature review, hardware descriptions. So in the hardware descriptions we have clearly given the details about the components whichever used in this project, and finally the software descriptions. So we use Arduino IDE and embedded C programming language, which was clearly described in this report, ending with results and conclusion with references. So this is how the entire report has been arranged. So here in this report we need to add a source code and screenshot of the project output. So guys, if you require this project or if you need any help to complete your project, you can contact our executive, and subscribe our channel to get regular update about recent technology and trends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.